everybody, we are at Cumberland Falls.
And there's like little tiny whirlpool thingies over there. There's like little tiny whirlpools. And like we've been here before like once, and we saw a gigantic
It smells like sand here.
We saw a gigantic waterfall, and it had a rainbow in the middle of it.
Yeah, it was actually pretty cool.
Oh my gosh, I see a cup! I see a cup down there.
Later. So guys, as you can see over there.
There's a giant rock.
Yes, Baxley, they see the rock.
For the first time and forever.
No! Okay, so follow me, everybody.
Shell. Tiny shell.
So
who wants to hold these? Okay, you can hold it.
And he just interrupts my part. But anyway, so everybody, I need to ask you one question. Are you ready to see the falls?
This life is life. It's light and bright. So take it day by day. Let it be. Everyone will see. How good it feels.
Are you scared? Because those big rocks that look like
Yeah, sorry. Alright guys, this is Cumberland Falls. See that? That's guys, what it looks like to me is like talking, so you want to talk?
You. Okay. Everybody, we've been like looking at the waterfall like for a long time, and we've like seen a rainbow in it, and we see black water. Here guys, I'll show you. Just let me get down. Black water. Let's get over here.
Hey guys.
It's over in the corner.
Hey guys. Can I ask you something? Okay. Imagine you are canoeing and then you just come up on that and you fall down that waterfall. What would you feel? I would probably just pee my pants and die. Because I am not very, I can, like, I'm good with like rides and I'm not very scared, but like, just seeing that and like, look how rough that water is. Like, I would just be standing right there going, like that, and I would just pee my pants and die.
I'm a Marine.
I'm trying so hard to keep my dress down.
There's a spider. Where? Got it. There's lots of them though. Big rock stars. Hi. The last time we were here, we discovered this room. And, well, you took pictures and you were being funny. And we're with my mom, and we should be doing work right now, but no, we're doing a YouTube video. So give a big thumbs up. This isn't the end. We have lots more to show you. Sometimes we jumped off.
Hey Mom, you know what type of rock this is?
What? A big ape rock. And we always, sometimes we jumped off of it like that. Sometimes I was at school and did that.
I am here for life. I'll be everything you like. The favorite ice cream on your cherry pie. All you need will be alright. Hand in hand off we will ride into the night until the sunrise. Hear you calling, I'll come running. Hell, high, what, baby, I won't stop. Hear you calling, I'll come running. Hell, high, what, baby, I won't stop.
You know what he's gonna do? So apparently that thing over there has nothing in it because I can't catch anything. Like I was literally searching literally up and down for stuff and there was literally nothing in there, so.
There's a drone. There's a drone
Yeah,
over there.
Yeah, as you see over there, there is a drone. But I mean like, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching everything. And Isabel, I give you a special shout out to my friend Isabel. And so like, that drone. So like, anyway, I give a special shout out to Isabel Vanilla. She's my best friend in the whole wide world. And then there's Gracie Burton. She's also one of my best friends. And she just moved away from me, so. Yeah, and I hope you give this a big thumbs up. And I hope you like and subscribe.